Good morning, everyone. I'm going to discuss the Philippine presidents from Emilio to Bongbong Marcos. Emilio Aguinaldo, he was the first president of the Philippines. He declared Philippine independence from Spain on June 12, 1898. The second president of the Philippines, Manuel L. Quezon, 1935 to 1944. Known as the father of the national language, he established the Commonwealth government and prepared the country for independence. The third president of Philippines, Jose P. Laurel, 1943 to 1945. President during the Japanese occupation, tried to protect the Filipino people during a difficult time of war. The fourth president of the Philippines, Sergio Osmeña, 1944 to 1946, helped rebuild the country after World War II, worked with the American government to restore peace. The fifth president of the Philippines is Manuel Rojas, 1946 to 1948, first president of the Independent Republic of the Philippines, helped in the reconstruction of the country after the war. The sixth president of the Philippines, Pedro Carino, 1948 to 1953, focused on economic recovery and social welfare, improved the foreign relations, and supported education. Ramon Magsaysay, 1953 to 1957, known as the President of the Common Man, fight against corruption and help the farmers and poor. Carlos P. Garcia, 1957 to 1961, introduced the Filipino First policy to prioritize business. Jos Dado Macapagal, 1961 to 1965, moved Independence Day to June 12, promoted land reform for farmers. Ferdinand Marcos, 1965 to 1986, built many infrastructure projects but declared martial law in 1972. His rule was marked by human rights issues and corruption. Corazon Aquino, 1986 to 1992, first woman president of the Philippines, restored democracy after Marcos was removed from power. Fidel V. Ramos, 1992 to 1998, improved the economy and promoted peace in the country. Joseph Estrada, 1998 to 2001, focused on helping the poor but was later removed due to corruption issues. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, 2001 to 2010, strengthened the economy and worked on infrastructure development. Benigno or Nunoy Aquino III, 2010 to 2016, promoted good governance and anti-corruption programs, improved the economy, and gained international support. Rodrigo Duterte, 2016 to 2022, known for his anti-drug campaign and infrastructure program Build, Build, Build. Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., 2022 focuses on economic recovery, agriculture, and unity after the pandemic. And that's all for my presentation today. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless.